first. Apologies, Senator Alan. Senator Judge Padilla for his interjections. Thereafter, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
Maraming salamat po. Isang mabilis lang po ito. Pagka sinabi pong unusual, hindi pangkaraniwan. Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir.
Kapag sinabing suspicious, ibig sabihin kahinahinala.
Apa, sir.
Wala po kayong nakitang kahinahinala. Hindi po ba?
Wala naman po.
Opo, ibig sabihin hindi po illegal.
Wala naman. Ang ano lang po kasi namin is yun sa check and cash.
Opo, ibig sabihin wala pong illegal.
Wala po.
Kayo nakita. Okay. Maraming salamat po. Sa prosecution naman po ako. Ginoong prosecutor, pangkaraniwan po ba ang confidential fund?
Your Honor, yung confidential fund po, sa akin pong pagkakaalam, ito po'y binibigay sa
Pangkaraniwan po ba siya na ibinibigay?
Depende po sa mga government agency at saka
So
head
hindi
ng
po siya
agency.
pangkaraniwan kasi depende.
Tama po.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Judge Padilla. Senator Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized for his interjections. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
I think most senators already clarified, but just a little bit more. Magandang hapon, Madam Witness.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, are you familiar with confidential or intelligence or discretionary funds?
No, sir.
Yeah. So, yung usual or unusual, depende kung saan ka naka-assign. Kasi for example, kung sa Malacanang ka naka-assign, and parating may intelligence funds ang Malacanang, and whether, I don't know how much they usually withdraw, whether it's 25, 50, 100. So if they always do it, then it's usual, right?
Yes, sir.
If they don't, if it's just a one time that year, oh, unusual, bakit suddenly, right? So whether it's you or the previous witness, ang tinatanong lang namin kung usual sa branch niyo. Di ba in your case kasi you've been assigned to different branches handling different agencies, but not all agencies have confidential funds. So
Yes.
so yung pag tinanong sa usual, you're just being honest kung again, if it's usual or not usual or unusual, right?
Yes, sir.
Or put it another way, di ba? If you're a kind of person that you love everyone, then I'm first time ko pumunta sa branch mo, I love Alan, then it's usual. Di ba? Sabi nga ni Tom Jones, it's not unusual to be loved by you. Di ba? Kung yun yung usual. If you're the type of person naman that you don't like anyone, then suddenly I go to your branch, sasabihin naman ng mga tao doon, ma'am, medyo unusual, ba't mo nagustuhan siya? Di ba? So I think yun din yung isang clarify ni Senator Tulfo, ni Senator Lacson, etc. Na iba yung suspicious and covered kasi may legal implications yon. Yung usual, unusual, we're just trying to get to the truth of what's happening here. So the other point what I want to make is that siguro sa prosecution ko na to itanong dahil we're all legislators here, Honorable Chua, no? Is it usual for DepEd to have confidential funds?
Your Honor, I believe that this is the first time that
Yes.
DepEd received confidential
Yes,
funds, Your
in fact, here in the Senate, in caucus, ako lang halos ang nag-object. I think 2 lang kami o 3. Ang sinabi ko nun sa chairman namin ng Committee in Finance, if the Vice President needs that amount, let's put it all in OVP, same amount na nire-request niya kasi at least dun usually naman talaga meron kasi nga, or pwede, kasi Vice President siya eh. And then kung siya ay nasa Security Council or kung siya ay nasa any law enforcement. Ang argument ko noon, if you put it in DepEd, paano pag napalitan yung secretary? Will we continue it, etc.? So anyway, I just agree with the other senators here that as we go along, let's help the public understand the difference between covered, suspicious, and usual, unusual. Para lang walang conclusions that are made that are prejudicial to either the prosecution or the defense. Thank you. Thank you, President.
Thank you, Senator Alan Cayetano is recognized. Thereafter, Senator Judge Joel Villanueva. You have 2 minutes.
Magandang,
I'm sorry, after Senator Alan, Senator Risa. Thereafter, Senator Judge Joel Villanueva. You have 2 minutes, sir.
Magandang umaga, Madam Witness. Welcome to the Senate.
Maganda.
Most of my questions na tanong naman ni Senator Erwin. I'd just like to ask, but you're familiar with the concept of confidential or discretionary funds? Or hindi? In government parlance.
Wala po kang
Okay.
alam.
No, kasi kung hindi ka familiar, whether that agency has 50 million discretionary funds or let's say if you were the manager sa OP and they had, I don't know how much now, 10 billion, you won't find it unusual kung 500 million, 250, 1 billion. Kasi nga usual means parate, unusual means bakit ganito kalaki, no? Because when I was in the DFA, there was a big storm. And I've never dealt with Land Bank directly except for my personal account as sa sweldo ko as DFA secretary. But the president asked us, what can each agency do? So my staff then, si Yusek Ariola said, Sir, maraming ma-stuck sa mga ports, airport at seaport. May isa tayong fund. Kung OFW sila, pwede tayong magbigay. So I think we had to withdraw 50 or 100 million. At sinabi ng branch manager, wala. And then it was a Friday. So I had to call the president of Land Bank and say, sir, basta stranded, hindi. And then they sent over 50 or 100 million. So my point is, just because it's unusual, it doesn't mean it's illegal or whatever. Tama po ba?
Wala naman pong illegal doon sa encashment po.
Because nga, may difference when it's a private account. So it's a private account and they don't usually, let's say, someone has a private account, commercial or private, meaning business or personal niya, they always withdraw 50,000, 100,000. This is theoretical, so hindi to covered ng bank secrecy law. Suddenly, we withdraw ng 3 million, minsan nagtatanong, di ba? Dahil know your customer, di ba? Ganon din sa deposit. I'll just finish this line. Ganon din sa deposit, di ba? So, kung sweldo ko 30,000, every time nagde-deposit ako 30,000. Biglang magde-deposit ako 2 million, tatanungin ako, sir, saan galing to? Right?
Correct.
Pero pag government, as long as you're dealing with the people you identified with, so whether that's DPWH, whether that's DOTR, basta't everything's in order, magtataka ka lang pag sobrang laki ng amount, but then you'll release it. No?
Kindly
Thank you.
wind up.
Yeah,
Senator
that's
Judge
all.
Allen.
Thank you. I was just clarifying that point.
Thank you, Senator.
By way of information to the prosecution, during the Blue Ribbon Committee, a certain Jean Abaya was called as a resource person. As I recall, she was then the operations head of Land Bank Shaw and assumed the position of department manager thereafter. I understand, of course, that the prosecution has the right to choose your witnesses. I am simply curious, bakit hindi pinatawag si Ms. Abaya na magtestigo ngayon, samantalang siya yung may personal knowledge ng encashment ng mga cheque na pinag-uusapan?
Your Honor,
The
at
Honorable
that-
Chua may respond.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at that time, when this check was in cash, si Ma'am po, ang ating pong testigo, siya po ang branch manager. Hindi po si yung nabanggit po ninyo.
Yes, alam ko na siya yung branch manager, pero yung operations head at that time, si Jean Abaya. As a matter of fact, she was even able to say that the entire amount of the checks was withdrawn each encashment. So, ang lumalabas doon sa House hearing, kung naaalala kong maigi, si Miss Abaya ang direktang nakipag-deal kay Miss Acosta, di ba?
Your Honor, kung maririnig po natin yung kanyang salaysay, siya po kasi yung nakikipag-coordinate sa OBP.
Siya
In fact,
nakikipag-coordinate or sino ang direktang nakikipag-usap kay Miss Abaya? Kung ganon. Kay Miss Acosta, sorry. Hindi ba si Jean Abaya?
Pwede po
Yun ang
akong sumagot.
pagkaintindi ko doon sa House hearing eh.
Pwede po akong sumagot.
Yes, please.
Si Jean Abaya po, siya po yung next in rank noong ako po ay branch
Siya
manager.
yung?
Next
Sorry.
in my rank.
Oo, yeah.
Apo.
Pero siya ba yung direktang nakipag-deal kay Miss Acosta ng DepEd?
Ako po ang direktang sa OVP po.
Nakakapagtaka lang kung bakit nung House hearing, si Miss Abaya ang siyang nagsabi ng direktahan na yung entire amount ng cheque was withdrawn each encashment. Hindi po kayo. Ba't nagkaganon?
Your Honor, bali po si Gina Baya po ang naging incumbent manager. Siya po yung pumalit sa akin as branch manager. So at that time, tinanong po nga siya. So since operations manager po siya, aware din po siya sa transaction. Pero natanong din po siya kung sinong direktang kumakausap sa cash division
Okay.
staff. So kaya po ako napatawag.
Kayo yung direktang nakipag-usap.
Opo.
Kahit siya ang nag-attest na talagang buong amount ang withdraw. Ganun ba
Aware
yun?
naman po siya sa mga transactions din po sa branch.
Okay, maliban doon, Ms. Constantino, nung House Blue Ribbon, narinig ko, nung tinanong ni Congressman Luistro, sino ang nag-withdraw ng pera at linagay sa mga bag, nung una, sabi niyo, you didn't recall. Matapos noon, medyo may leading question si Congresswoman noon eh. Kasi ang sabi, do you recall Miss Acosta? Do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Bigla ninyong naalala si Miss Acosta at si Mr. Ortonio. Tama ba yun? Ba't nagkaganon? Nung una, hindi ninyo maalala. Pagkatapos noon, naalala na ninyo.
Pwede ko
Ano
po
ba
bang-
talaga ang naaalala ninyo? Para klaro tayo.
Pwede po ba nating balikan po kung yung transcript po talaga? Kasi baka po, mamaya, baka lang po, I'm sorry, may iba pong issue before. Tapos po natanong ako kung bakit ko po kilala yung dalawa. So baka po may iba
Kasi
pa
nung
pong
una,
story up behind.
tinatanong kung nare-recall ninyo, sino ang naglagay ng pera sa mga bag? Sabi po ninyo na hindi ninyo maalala. Tama ba yun?
Ang pagkakaalala
Kindly
ko po,
wind up.
ang pagkakaalala ko, sorry po. Ang pagkakaalala
Sumasagot
ko po, ang sinagot ko po yon na si
Yes,
Miss
yes.
Gina ang naglagay at si Mr. Ortonio. Ang hindi ko po ma-recall kung sino po yung naglabas na ng cash.
Uy, hindi
ng
ko
bags.
tinatanong yon. Hindi yon ang tinutukoy ko. Ang tinutukoy ko, yung paiba-ibang sagot. Kasi nung una sabi nyo, hindi ninyo maalala kung sino naglagay ng pera sa bag. Pagkatapos nung binanggit sa inyo, do you recall Miss Acosta, do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Naalala ninyo kung sino naglagay na yung dalawa. Bakit ganon? Yun lang po.
Ang
Kindly wind up,
pagkakaalam,
ma'am.
ang pagkakaal-
Considering that Miss Acosta is allegedly the payee, bakit hindi niyo yun naalala kaagad? Doon ako nagtataka.
wala po akong matandaan na sinabi ko, na hindi ko ma-recall po yung naglagay ng pera sa bags. Ang alam ko po, nare-recall ko kung sino po ang naglabas ng bags.
Okay,
Outside the bag.
balikan na lang po natin yung transcript
Sige
doon sa
po.
lower house
Kung pwede
at
po.
baka maipaliwanag ninyo sa amin na maigi.
Sige.
Maraming salamat.
Sige
The
po.
lady may avail for round.
Very briefly, thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. After hearing all the words unusual, suspicious, illegal, but I just wanted to understand, Ma'am Camposano, matapos po maging subject ng congressional inquiry ang mga transaction na ito, nagsagawa ba ho ang Land Bank ng anumang internal review kung paano hinanda, na-authorize, or na-release ang cash?
Internal review po ng Land Bank.
Yes, because you
Ah.
used words unusual, suspicious, all of that. I just wanted to know, pagkatapos po nangyari yun, was there any internal review? I just wanted to understand that.
After ng Congress hearing, Your Honor.
Yes, because
Ah.
dun po namin unang nabatid yung inyong mga statements.
Mhm.
Yes.
Hindi ko na po masagot yan, Your Honor, because I was with Land Bank DOTR na po nung time na yon. So kung ano man po yung nangyari with DepEd branch at the time, after the congressional hearing, hindi ko po alam.
Oh, so after the hearings, when you made these manifestations, hindi po kayo pamilyar kung nagkaroon po ng pagbabago, ng review, i-assess yung proseso dahil po sa inyong mga kaalaman.
Yes, Your
Linipat
Honor.
na po kayo.
No. I was with Land Bank DOTR na during the congressional hearing.
Yes. And so you are not called for any review based on your revelations?
Oh, wala po.
Okay. So, I had many questions. I was supposed to ask you, anong saklaw ng review, ano ang security arrangements, documentation, reporting requirements. But if you're not familiar with the review, so you will not be able to answer. So, do we assume then that the process is still the same? Kung walang binago po, ibig po bang sabihin na Land Bank considered the existing process sufficient and that the same transaction could still be handled in substantially the same manner today? Gusto ko po lang maintindihan kung unusual, usually kakausapin dapat yan o a-assess ang proseso. But if it was not, how is the process today? Paano po nagbago kung meron man?
Akong sa ngayon po, ang nagbago po ang proseso niyan dahil meron na pong tayong BSP guidelines na ang amount lang po ng cash na mailalabas is up to 1 million. Then, pagka more than 1 million, ay kailangan na po ng necessary approvals.
Yes, I'm talking about the changes, evaluation, assessment after the congressional inquiry. Did this, are you referring to a BSP guideline that was given after the congressional inquiry?
I know, ma'am.
Yes, that's what I'm referring to. From the time, ma'am, that you gave those statements, and if you found it unusual, and up to now, I wanted to know whether there was any internal, yes, I take note of that, internal assessments to review so that there could be changes for security arrangements. If none, and if not familiar with you, I leave it at that. Except that normally in life, when something is unusual, which is not necessarily suspicious, which is not necessarily illegal, but you assess and you make changes to improve the process. But you're saying you are not familiar with any such investigations or assessment or review.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Senator Judge Padilla first. Apologies, Senator Alan. Senator Judge Padilla for his interjections. Thereafter, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
Maraming salamat po. Isang mabilis lang po ito. Pagka sinabi pong unusual, hindi pangkaraniwan. Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir.
Kapag sinabing suspicious, ibig sabihin kahinahinala.
Apa, sir.
Wala po kayong nakitang kahinahinala, hindi po ba?
Wala naman po.
Opo, ibig sabihin hindi po illegal.
Wala naman. Ang ano lang po kasi namin is yun sa check and cashment.
Opo,
So,
ibig sabihin wala pong illegal.
Wala po.
Kaya nakita. Okay, maraming salamat po. Sa prosecution naman po ako. Ginoong prosecutor, pangkaraniwan po ba ang confidential fund?
Your Honor, yung confidential fund po, sa akin pong pagkakaalam, ito po'y binibigay sa
Pangkaraniwan po ba siya na ibinibigay?
Depende po sa mga government agency at saka
So
head
hindi
ng
po siya
agency.
pangkaraniwan kasi depende.
Tama po.
Salamat po.